Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Friday morning, June 15, 2012 Daily Stock Report. Sorry for such a late report tonight. Here's the Dow 30 up 1.25%. Got some higher highs. Nice little uptrend we're getting here. Got some news today during the latter part of the session that various central banks were setting up to prepare for the potential of Greece exiting, and somehow the market interpreted that as being a positive event. So there's a vote this weekend in Greece, whoever they vote in. There's this guy who's more extremely left or liberal, wants to get rid of the current bailout package, and that's really rattling the market. You know, we've got so many areas of stress. I've never seen this in my career, and I don't think anyone else has either, but to see so many factors that are pushing and pulling the market. We got this Greece problem, we got Spain, we got Italy next, we got this French president who's not wanting to work with the Germany leader. We got our own economic problems, we got our re-election going. China's on the way down on their economy, so is India. Brazil's clearly pulled back a lot as well. So we got a lot of negative news, and it's pretty amazing the market's holding up this well. I think for the short-term risk that we've got is that stocks are likely to pop up quite a bit on Monday if that vote goes keep the existing guy in place and they means the existing bailout package will be used. And I think that's a pretty good chance, according to the polls 2 weeks ago, was it's a 70% still of the population still wants to hold the existing leadership. The odds are that the people still want security and they want the bailout from the European leaders. And if that's the case, Monday morning stocks are going to go up quite a bit. So I think we ought to cover a lot of our shorts and reduce them. Try to have a little more of an equally balanced portfolio here. So right now we're really heavily short, and we're covering and reducing a lot of that today and tomorrow. Here's a stock, IDCC, that we've been short, just downtrending. I think there must be some sort of bad news internally. We don't know a lot about what's going on, but this stock has dropped in half in the last 3 to 4 months. So I think this short is worth holding open. Here's Financial Engines. Consider covering some of this short tomorrow on Friday. Smithfield Foods took a big dump down to under $18 today. Really big profit on this short position. I don't see this really spiking up quite a bit. HGG had a gain. A lot of these stocks had gains. I think this is worth holding this one open. Here's a short. I think we ought to consider covering this on Friday. Up slightly. Hasn't been breaking down. This one has a chance of spiking up quite a bit on Monday if the market rebounds from the Greece election. So go ahead and read all the notes I've got on this. A lot of them I've mentioned to consider covering the short or reducing. Let's not hang ourselves too far out there. So you guys know the routine. You take care. We'll talk to you tomorrow night.